welcome to VISKOU. Today I'll introduce you guys our HIKVISION Colorvu Series cameras. So now on my table you can see this is our HIKVISION series, Colorvu Series. Okay, for the Colorvu Series it means like you can have 24/7 full color image. Okay, so our Colorvu Series features it have a 265 compression technology, and also it have a low light. You can view the full color on low light. Okay, so I'll introduce you guys one by one our model. For this one is a fixed bullet. This model is 2CD1027 Colorvu Series. Also I will unboxing to you guys. Okay. So inside we have the manual and also some small accessories. This is waterproof, and also inside this is a camera. As you can see, this is our fixed bullet Colorvu Series camera. These are 2 megapixels. Okay, you can see. This is also IP67. This is water and dust resistant, weatherproof. Okay. Next, will be the fixed turret. This series will be 1327. Actually, the features is same with the bullet just now. It's only different between the shape and also the size. Okay, unboxing. Same, you will have the manual also, and the accessories. Here, this is the fixed turret camera. You can see. Next one will be this. This is our 4 megapixels Colorvu Series camera. This 2047 is a mini bullet. It's also a medium bullet size. Okay, and they also have a full-time color and also have WDR and also weatherproof IP67. Now I try unboxing. So inside here we have the accessories and also the manual, and this is the camera. Okay, this bullet is much larger than what I showed you guys just now. For this one, this is a 4 megapixels mini bullet, full color view series camera. So you can see this is what it looks like. For this one, 2 megapixels for the fixed bullet and also the fixed turret, 2 megapixels. And for this one, it's a 4 megapixels mini bullet camera. So all of them are from Colorvu Series. You can have a full-time color at low light. Yes. So later on, in the later part of our video, we'll demo to you guys on how it looks like in a dark environment, how it can show the color view environment. Hi everyone. So now we will proceed to the configuration part. So as you can see, this is our VISKOU office. We already set up one Colorvu camera inside here, and also this is the model 1027, which is the fixed bullet camera which I show you guys just now. Okay, so proceed to the configurations. So at the system, you can see the model number will be DS-2CD1027G0-L, which is the fixed bullet camera I showed you guys just now. We are testing using this camera. Okay, then we proceed to the image display setting, and there's a day and night switch. You can do changes at the day, set it at the night, or set it at the auto, so that it will switch automatically, or you can just select the schedule switch. The start time will be at 6 AM and end time will be at 6 PM. So after 6 PM, the smart supplement light will be turned on. The supplement light mode you can choose as a separate white light, and the brightness can also be controlled using auto or manual. So now we are using auto. So this is a white light. You can adjust the brightness. So for the backlight settings, as I have mentioned just now, we have the WDR features. You can turn off and on to eliminate the backlight, the strong backlight, so you can have a better view. Next will be the white balance. You can have your preference, the warm light, natural light, or fluorescent lamp. You can choose yourself. And for the image enhancement, the digital noise reduction, you can choose off, normal, or expert mode. Okay. Next will be the video adjustment, mirror an image or rotate, or even the video standard can have 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Yes. Okay. So these are simple configurations. So we back to our live view. So what you can see here is the live view of our office, and it's in the daytime. So after 6 p.m. when we all go home, we will turn off all the light, and you will switch into the night mode, and also you will be able to see all the dark environment in full color 24/7. That's all for me to do the configurations. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Thank you.